Good morning, Clay Thompson here, Guarantee RV Center. Today I'm going to show you a new DRV Fullhouse. This is a 2021 MX450, and so this is going to have the latest changes that DRV has done with the new end cap, with the new upholsteries, with the new woodwork, new interior designs. So this is a very fresh unit. And it's something you really ought to look at to see if you want the new version or the late version. But this is the newest version here. So it's the MX450 with a large garage, nice ramp patio deck out the back end, true all-season, triple axle, fuel station generator, very well equipped. Beautiful, beautiful toy hauler. So, or could just be the universal do-all trailer. It could be used as a garage, a craft room, a sewing room, and or game room. Whatever you want to use it for. Don't necessarily have to have the toys, but it is just a fully functional, all-purpose utility fifth wheel. Here we go. Let's go inside. So here we are inside the new 2021 DRV Fullhouse MX450. This particular model is going to have the hazelnut cabinetry, the gray stone partial paint with the slate furniture color. Some of the nice features that this one is equipped with is the Happy Jack electric drop-down bed with the Happy Jack drop-down dual sofas and the 3-season garage patio system with awning. Very nice setup, makes it very functional and very user-friendly for all kinds of purposes, not just a one direction. So this can be used for a whole lot of things with that rear 13-foot garage. But as we come in the doorway, we look into the living room, we walk into the living room with the big 55-inch TV, overhead cabinetry, very, very nice woodwork, with the new Insignia 4-burner cooktop with the very large oven in the kitchen, the full-size microwave convection, with the little peninsula island with the dual double sink that's a one-piece, no-seam stainless steel sink. Very nice. And then the residential refrigerator with the double-door deep freeze. Theater seating and a little love seat in the living room area. Lots of cabinetry throughout, as you can see. And then as we go forward into the upstairs, the bathroom, very large shower. This one has the ability to have the large closet that's in the bathroom become the area for the washer and dryer if you choose to go that route. And then into the bedroom with the king bed, cedar lined closet, nice big TV in the bedroom area with the vanity slide out throughout. So if you have any questions on the DRV product, whether it be the DRV Fullhouse or the DRV Mobile Suites, make sure you contact me. My name is Clay Thompson with Guarantee RV Center in Junction City, Oregon, and you can reach me direct at 541-979-1770. Make sure you contact me. I'd be glad to help. Thank you.